Hi guys, this is Carl reviewing this LED headlight. Since my headlight sa Vios ko is parang bumigay na yung other half. So let's open it. What I have here is the Novsight I don't know what's in there, N11S H11 for the low beam of the Vios. So let's open it up. This is the unboxing of the Novsight headlights N11S. So, the guide, cover, and the two bulbs. So let's open one. Guys, so ganun yung plug niya. So yan, nice quality build, premium na premium yung metal niya, tsaka yung fan. So kabit na natin guys. So bago natin ikabit guys, check natin yung low beam niya. Yan. See, ang hina na. So, kabit natin. Old one is on the left, new one is on the right. So guys, naikabit ko na yung dalawa. Check natin. Yan. Maliwanag compared kanina. So remember lang natin guys, dapat yung LED is nakaganyan, so straight. And the other side para hindi masisilawan yung tapat na. So I hope you like this video guys, and please like and subscribe. More videos to come.